Okay. Hey guys, today I'm doing a live stream. A live me. So yeah. So if you let me just talk to them for a minute. If you guys want to see it, you can just see it right now, right here. Secondly. So anyway, I'm gonna show you some of my slime that I made. Some slime that I made. So this is a pretty cool one. I know a lot of people have mixed slime, but I just had one of the ingredients that you're gonna be needing for this one. So I actually already made it, but I have some a little bit left. So this is a slime. It doesn't stick to your hand. See? Okay. So it doesn't stick to your hands. And yeah. So guys, it doesn't stick to your hand. Let me just show you so you can see. Thank you. I am amazing. Finally. Okay. Somebody says something nice to me. I'm doing the video, and this is a slime. So this is a slime. I know it looks so bad in quality. So, like. Okay. And I have some left over. I have some leftover spring. I forgot. Irish Spring body wash or soap. I don't know. And that's how I made this one. And you only need salt. That's a good thing because mostly people, everybody has salt. See, so it's not sticky. Depending, press hard, will be a little bit sticky. So then you have a tiny bit amount of the soap. So then I have some sea salt. This is what I made it with. And then I'm going to add some sea salt to the ground. You want to take a pinch of the salt. And you want to add it into the mixture. I'm going to mix this with my pencil and my good pencils. Okay. So when you add a pinch, it will turn into automatic slime on on one side. Guys, from the live streams, I'm so sorry, it's not good quality. So if you get me up to 10 hearts, I will show you a craft. And you guys are already looking at a craft. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to watch the video again, go to YouTube, Jasmine Rodriguez. Yeah. Let me just pour this in here. Now I'm going to pour it in my container. See, it's going to change different because it looks so clear in the actual container. Let me just show you. So cool. And this is a funny little recipe that you guys might always have. So comment down below what do you want me to do next. Subscribe and like or whatever your heart desire, and bye.